Check test. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you are now witnessing a game played between the Area 51 versus Oriental Mindoro. Good luck to both teams. Our next game is Apaam versus Breadmaster. It's a game now between the Area 51 versus Oriental Mindoro. Who do you think will win this match? Service now from Oriental Mindoro, Del Moral, jersey number 5. It's Riola, Area 51, 1, serving none. Now serving from Area 51, jersey number 12. Lorejo. Puntos para sa Oriental Mindoro. Now serving jersey number 7, Gabayno. Black Canon, points for Oriental Mindoro. Still serving, jersey number 7, Gabayno. Hindi nakuha doon ng Oriental Mindoro. It's Riola. And he will now serve for Area 51, jersey number 18, Riola. 2-all. It's Ganoria. Combination play from Oriental Mindoro. Dipa Supil, jersey number 16, is now serving. Patricio! Tie scores at 3. Now serving jersey number 2, Ruduque. Sorry. Service error committed by Ruduque. Ganoria is now serving. Mauta ka doon, Fernandez. Area 51. Patricio, jersey number 14, is now serving. It's outside, points for Oriental Mindoro. Jersey number 12, Castillo, is now serving. Woo! Salvador! What a combination play there! Area 51. Salvador is now serving. Balls out. Points again for Area 51. Still serving, Salvador. Gabayno, Oriental Mindoro. Anyayahan, jersey number 15, is now serving. Points for Area 51. Substitution. Concede out. Eda, jersey number 15 in. And he will now going to serve Eda. Jersey number 5, Del Moral. Del Moral, jersey number 5, is now serving. What a nice play there. Gabayno again. Oriental Mindoro, 8. Serving 7. Attack error committed by Riola, and that point goes to Oriental Mindoro. Del Moral is still serving. Touch, net touch by Gabayno, and that point goes to Area 51. The setter, jersey number 12, is now serving. Ganoria! Jersey number 2, Chu, is now serving. Chu. Patricio! Now serving jersey number 18, Riola. Points for Oriental Mindoro. Now serving from Oriental Mindoro, Dipa Supil, the setter. Woo! Patricio! Committee timeout. Technical timeout.
Ayan, para po sa mga players, request lang po na tumawag po muna sa table bago po mag-sub kasi naguguluhan po kami sa pasok ninyo. Yung stats po ninyo nabibigay namin sa iba. Thank you. Yun lang po.
So reminders to all our players or teams na kapag magsasub, kailangan mo nang i-inform ang ating table committee and the referee. Let's go back now to this game. Rudike is now serving. It's not over. Points again for Rodike or for Area 51. And we are now tied at 11. Ganoria! Ganon! Oriental Mindoro. Jersey number 3 is now serving. Ganoria. It's block. Blocked by jersey number 15. A 25 brother. Pahilan. Ganoria, jersey number 3 is still serving. Ow! Pasok yun. Points for Area 51. Patricio, jersey number 14 is now serving. And that's error. Substitution. 25 out, 12 in. It's jersey number 12, Castillo. Serving for Oriental Mindoro. 14. Serving 12. Balls out. Points for Oriental Mindoro, 15. Serving 12, and Castillo is still serving. Gabay no out yon. Area 51. Salvador jersey number 4 is now serving for Area 51. Del Moral. 16. Serving 13. Now serving jersey number 15, Anyayahan. Points again for Oriental Mindoro. Anyayahan is still serving. Through the block. Area 51, substitution. 15 out, 1 in. Kasidsid out. Eda in. Eda is now serving. 14, serving 17. Oh! Down the line, hit by Riola. Down the line. Eda is still serving. It's outside. Points again for Oriental Mindoro. Del Moral is now serving. It's Rodique. Points for area 51. And the setter, jersey number 12, is now serving. It's not over. Substitution. 7 out, jersey number 2 in. And jersey number 2, Chu, is now serving for Oriental Mindoro. Oh, Riola! Grabing atake yon. Points for area 51. It's Patricio! Area 51. Yan. Riola is now serving. Back-to-back points for Patricio. And we are tied now at 19. Jersey number 18, Riola, is still serving. Oh! Ganoria! What a UAAP experience ang nakikita natin ngayon. De Los Reyes. Jersey number 16 is still serving. Dipa Supil. 21, serving 19. De Los Reyes. Timeout. Area 51. Our score now, ladies and gentlemen, is 22-19 in favor of Oriental Mindoro. Our next game is the Breadmaster versus Apaam. What an intense play or game. Between the Oriental Mindoro and Area 51. Jersey number 16, the setter, Dipa Supil, is now serving. Net error, committed by Patricio. And that point goes to Oriental Mindoro, leading 2 points. It's Rodique! Puntos para sa Area 51. Substitution! 15 out. Kasid Sid, jersey number 19 in. Now serving for Area 51, jersey number 2, Rodique. Blacador ni Pahilan. Points for Oriental Mindoro. 24 serving 20. Ganoria is now serving. Iba ka, Patricio! What a sharp cross hit there by Patricio. Yet, it's service error. Substitution, 25 out, 13, Laguno in. Laguno jersey number 13 is now serving 25-21. Oh! Gabayno! Our score now is 26-21. Laguno is still serving. And that is service error. Points for Area 51. Salvador, jersey number 4, is now serving. Grabe yun! What a combination play there, Oriental Mindoro. Timeout. Pandan. Wala na pong timeout ang Pandan. Sa lahat po ng manunood na ating laban, pasok lang po. As together we will watch this game. Are you having fun, ladies and gentlemen? All right. Back to the ball game. De Los Reyes, jersey number 1, is now serving. 27-22. Hindi pumasok. Oriental Mindoro. 28-22. De Los Reyes. Block again, Gabayno. Match point. Oriental Mindoro. Still serving De Los Reyes. Black out. Point by Kasidsid. 19 out, 15 in. Eda is now serving. Attack error. 2 out, 21 in. It's 24, serving 29. Eda is still serving. And the winner for this match is Oriental Mindoro. Congratulations. Grabing laban. Ang init ng laban. Will our next game give this same intense match? We will see. Breadmaster versus Apaam. Abangan. Team Captain, kindly get your